Hi, this is Tim McKean with Herberger Online Learning. I think that most faculty don't know they can manually add people to their Canvas course shells. It's possible that you've even been told that you can't or shouldn't add people to your course. Let's talk about what your options really are in Canvas. From the People tool in the course navigation, click the Plus People button to open the Add People dialog box. If this is your first time clicking this button, you may be presented with a warning message telling you to contact support if you need to add students to your course. This is true, but only for students. If we accept the warning message, we get access to the rest of the options. And if you look down at the different roles available, you'll see that in addition to students, you can also add other instructors, TAs, graders, and designers. These additions are permanent and not controlled by the Canvas enrollment system. This can really be helpful if you want to add other instructors so that they have access to course content when creating future shells. Once you've selected the role you want users to have, you can add them using their Canvas email address, ASU Write ID, or student ID number. I usually have the most consistent success with using the ASU Write ID. Click the radio button for the ID type you want to use and paste in the information. You can also add multiple users by separating them with commas. Click Next to verify that you've used the right ID information, and if everything looks correct, click Add Users. Hopefully, this helps save you some calls to tech support. Herberger Online Learning is here to help you with your course design and instructional needs. If there's something else we can help you with, contact your instructional designer or reach out to us at hol@asu.edu. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.